transportation, and they are widely used for domestic as well as international transport. They are also used in warcrafts too. Nowadays, most of the functions of an aircraft is carried out by softwares along with its pilots. Throughout this presentation, we are going to discuss more in detail about the application of software engineering in aircrafts. Aircraft is a heavy machinery which uses more than 50% of its maintenance by the use of computer software, from the baggage handling system to passenger loading. In an aircraft is to control the autopilot system, flight control system, and the sensing system of the aircraft. Modern autopilots use computer software to control the aircraft. The software reads the aircraft's current position and then controls a flight control system to guide the aircraft. Computer software is used mainly for communication between ground control and cockpit. An algorithm is used to convert the encrypted signal from ground control given to cockpit. Here, nose of the aeroplane act as a signal receiver and transmitter. Another important feature is aerodynamic controlling, which help pilots to make decisions on takeoff, direction of flight and landing. Here, wind speed, altitude, humidity, pressure, air traffic signals and many other parameters are taken into account for the software to process and analyze the conditions and guide the pilot to make better decisions for smooth flying of the aircraft. Nowadays, in-flight maintenance is also done by the software. Entertainment section constitute a major part of software involvement on a chart. Software such as ICE by Emirates, Area by Oman Air are some of the softwares used for entertainment in flights. There are many other tasks an aircraft software carry out during its flight, like flight flapping degree checking, fuel consumption tracking and fuel pump governing, flight altitude and angle of elevation keeping, flight data processing and power outputting system monitoring, flight toilet maintaining and management, first class passenger management, controlling and hydraulic system. The vital information about a flight is recorded and stored in the black box of the aircraft. This data is continuously processed by the software for any errors and to alert the pilot if any. So, in the modern era, an aircraft cannot operate without the aid of computer software. It is an integral part of the flying mechanism. Almost all of the major airlines maintain their own aviation software, and also they periodically analyze the performance of the software since the safety standards cannot be compromised.